Hi everybody, it's Miss Carrie. Thanks for joining me for music class today. Are you ready to sing hello? Let's pat our knees. Sing, sing, sing hello together. Merrily, 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 sing hello together. Clap, clap, clap hello together. Merrily, 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 clap hello together. Wave, wave, wave hello together. Merrily, 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 wave hello together. Hello. Your turn to sing. Hello. My turn. Hello. Your turn. Hello. I've been thinking a lot about our animal friends outside. What animals have you been seeing outside? Yesterday, I saw this animal playing outside. Do you know what animal that is? Of course, it's a squirrel. I'd like to sing a song with you about a squirrel. Climb up on your favorite grown-up's knee and let's bounce together. Are you ready? Hop, old squirrel, idle-dum, hop, old squirrel, idle-dum-dee. Hop, old squirrel, idle-dum, hop, old squirrel, idle-dum-dee. A squirrel has a bushy tail that likes to swish, swish, swish around. Swish, old squirrel, idle-dum, squish, old squirrel, idle-dum-dee. Swish, old squirrel, idle-dum, swish, old squirrel, idle-dum-dee. Then when it runs away really fast. Run, old squirrel, idle-dum, run, old squirrel, idle-dum-dee. Run, old squirrel, idle-dum, run, old squirrel, idle-dum-dee. I have a poem that I would like to read to you about a squirrel. Are you ready to listen? Whiskey, frisky, hippity hop, up he goes to the treetop. Whirly, twirly, round and round, down he scampers to the ground. Furly, curly, what a tail! Tall as a feather, broad as a sail. Where's his supper? In the shell. Snappy, crackly, out it fell. What's that sound? Do you hear it? Do you know what that sound is? Did you guess bees? If you guessed bees, you're right. Let's listen to it again. That reminds me of a finger play that I know about bees. Would you like to try it with me? It starts like this. Here is the beehive. Where are the bees? Hidden away where nobody sees. Watch them as they come out of the hive. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Buzz. Let's sing a song about a fly who marries a bumblebee. It's called Fiddle-Dee-Dee. The fly has married the bumblebee. Let's play with instruments today. I have my rhythm sticks here, but if you don't have rhythm sticks, that's okay. You can use a couple of pencils or even a couple of wooden spoons. If you don't have that, it's all right. You can just clap your hands with me. Are you ready? Fiddle-dee-dee, fiddle-dee-dee, the fly has married the bumblebee. Fiddle-dee-dee, fiddle-dee-dee, the fly has married the bumblebee. Says the fly, says he, will you marry me and live with me, sweet bumblebee? Fiddle-dee-dee, fiddle-dee-dee, the fly has married the bumblebee. Fiddle-dee-dee, fiddle-dee-dee, the fly has married the bumblebee. Says the bee, says she, I'll live under your wing, and you'll never know I carry a sting. Fiddle-dee-dee, fiddle-dee-dee, the fly has married the bumblebee. Fiddle-dee-dee, fiddle-dee-dee, the fly has married the bumblebee. So when Parson Beetle had joined the pair, they both flew off to take the air. Fiddle-dee-dee, fiddle-dee-dee, the fly has married the bumblebee. Fiddle-dee-dee, fiddle-dee-dee, the fly has married the bumblebee. Oh, the flies Let's go for a walk in the green grass. Did you notice that the grass is getting green all over town? I sure did. I would love to see big boys and girls walk around the room while I sing this song, or jump when it's time to jump, or even roll around on the floor when it's time to roll. If you're a grown-up who has a little one with you, you can simply take your fingers and walk them up and down your baby, or jump and bounce your baby on your lap, or even help them roll their hands. Are you ready? Let's take a walk in the green grass. Big boys and girls, let's see you walk. Walking in the green grass, the green grass, the green grass. Walking in the green grass so early in the morning. It's time to jump. Jumping in the green grass, the green grass, the green grass. Jumping in the green grass so early in the morning. I like to roll around in the grass. How about you? Rolling in the green grass, the green grass, the green grass. Rolling in the green grass so early in the morning. Now it's time to take a rest. Resting in the green grass, the green grass, the green grass. Resting in the green grass so early in the morning. You know, with all of that walking and jumping and rolling around in the green grass, we might have woken up our friend, John the Rabbit. John's going to help us sing a song. I'll sing my part and John will help you sing your part that goes like this. Oh yes. Can you sing that? Oh yes. Let's try the song together. Old John the Rabbit, oh yes. Old John the Rabbit, oh yes. Got a mighty bad habit, oh yes, of getting in the garden, oh yes, and cutting down my cabbage, oh yes, and eating up my sweet corn, oh yes. He ate tomatoes, oh yes, and sweet potatoes, oh yes, and if I live, oh yes, to see next fall, oh yes, I ain't gonna have, oh yes, a garden at all, oh yes. Can you tell me where your ears are? Point to your ears. My ears are right here. I've been using my ears to listen to the songbirds that I've been hearing in my backyard. I'd like to share some of the sounds that I've been hearing with my ears from our bird friends. Let's listen. What kind of bird is that? That's a robin. Robin. Let's listen to another type of bird sound. What kind of bird is that? That's a chickadee. Chickadee. Let's listen to another bird sound. What bird sound is that? Did you guess a blue jay? Blue jay. Let's listen to another one. What's that bird sound? Did you guess a cardinal? Cardinal. That's right. Let's listen to one more. I know that one. That's a blackbird. I have a song about blackbirds. To do this song with me, you'll need your pincher fingers, just like a bird's beak. Are you ready? Two little blackbirds sitting on a wall, one named Peter, one named Paul. Fly away away, Peter, fly away, Paul. Come back, Peter, come back, Paul. Cheep, 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 cheep. Let's do it again. Two little blackbirds sitting on a wall, one named Peter, one named Paul. Fly away, Peter, fly away, Paul. Come back, Peter, come back, Paul. Cheep, 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 cheep. Let's hear that robin sound one more time. That's the sound of a robin. I'd like to sing a song about a robin being chased by a pussycat. It goes like this. Little robin redbreast sat upon a tree, sat upon a tree. Up went the pussycat and down came he. Down came pussycat, away robin ran. Said little robin redbreast, catch me if you can. Let's sing it one more time and you can be my echo. Little robin redbreast sat upon a tree. Little robin redbreast sat upon a tree. Up went the pussycat and down came he. Up went the pussycat and down came he. Down came pussycat, away robin ran. Down came pussycat, away robin ran. Said little robin redbreast, catch me if you can. Said little robin redbreast, catch me if you can. Thanks for joining me today during our music class. We heard about all kinds of animals that we might see in our backyard, like squirrels and rabbits and all kinds of birds and even a bumblebee. But now it's time for us to sing goodbye to each other. Are you ready to sing goodbye with me? Sing, sing, sing goodbye together. Merrily, 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 sing goodbye together. Clap, clap, clap goodbye together. Merrily, 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 clap goodbye together. Wave, wave, wave goodbye together. Merrily, 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 wave goodbye together. Goodbye. Your turn. Goodbye. My turn. Goodbye. Now it's your turn. Goodbye. Thanks for joining us, everybody.